To create something like Minecraft and Infinite Craft, players are going to need to use the game's mechanisms, the mechanics to replicate the core features that make Minecraft unique, such as block-based buildings, exploration, crafting, and survival elements. While Infinite Craft may not have all the exact features of Minecraft, the goal would be to create a similar experience using the available tools. So you start by focusing on building structures with blocks, which is a key element in Minecraft. Gather resources from the environment or set up automated farms and generators to produce materials for building. These resources can be used to craft tools, create shelters, or design larger, more intricate constructions. To mimic the exploration aspect of Minecraft, design a vast, open world filled with diverse biomes and terrain. Implement structures or landmarks to encourage discovery and adventure, just as players explore Minecraft's randomly generated worlds. Adding crafting systems and basic survival mechanics would also help bring the experience closer to Minecraft. Set up systems that allow you to create essential items like tools, weapons, or food from raw materials, and introduce challenges such as hunger or enemy mobs. With creativity and automation, you can build an environment in Infinite Craft that mirrors many of the aspects that make Minecraft an engaging and immersive experience. Let me know if this helped.